If you're experiencing issues launching or opening Marvel Rivals on Windows 11, don't worry, this is a common problem that can often be fixed easily. So this issue may arise from compatibility settings, outdated drivers, or corrupted files, and here's a straightforward guide to help you get your game up and running again. So first of all, you have to run as administrator. First of all, right-click on the game in your Steam library and select Properties. Then click on Installed Files. Then click on Browse, find the exe file, and then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator in the top. You can also try verifying the game files. In the Steam, right-click on the Marvel Rivals again, go to its Properties, and then click on Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of the game files. And update the GPU drivers. Use NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software to ensure your graphics driver are up to date. And you can also try disabling the overlays. Go to in-game, that is between cloud and controller option, and then toggle the switch for enable the Steam overlay. After that, you can also try uninstalling the Marvel Rivals, restart your PC, and then reinstall the game through Steam. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.